What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob. I'm back with another video. I have here a screen protector from Spigen. Now this is the Privacy Glass Easy Fit for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, you may ask yourself, why would you need a privacy screen? Well, privacy screens, I think, come in handy if you're vacationing, if you're going out of town. Also, if you work outside in very bright environments. Don't get me wrong, the iPhone can handle very bright environments with sunlight. But just in case, again, you may need something to help with that, seeing your display in a little bit of a easier fashion. These type of screens do come in handy. My personal reason for using these is like if I'm going out of town and you're sitting on a plane and you don't like anybody having peering eyes at your text messages, or if, for example, you're looking at a movie or something of that nature. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the box. Now you get at least two privacy screen protectors. You get alcohol pads and what have you for both of those. Squeegee, which I don't think you would need, and you get a nice little advertisement for other products that Spigen may be offering. Also, it does offer some nice instructions. You can pause that and read if you do not wish to follow along with this video. But let's go ahead and check this off. What you want to do though is at least clean your display. I like to air dry. Sometimes this have lint on it, so it can just make it even more worse when it comes to getting rid of the lint. Take the larger dust removal one. Bigger sticker, handles more of a bit wider range of the surface. On the back, peel this first. Place on top. Make sure everything is locked in. Make sure you got whatever the top is facing the top. Do this for about 30 seconds. All right, been about a good 30 seconds. And you have everything all nice and done. It does have a complete cutout for the actual camera, so you're not going to be losing out on anything from a security standpoint. Let's turn this back on. Now, like you say, when you see straight down, you see how that works out. Off to the side, no one can see anything. Straight down, perfect. Tilt to the side, can't see a thing. See how that privacy works for you? So I see how you look straight down at it. Looks pretty good. And them angles is right on point. I like this. Let's see where I got my brightness at. I'm pretty much at let's see here. Let's go all the way up to the bright and then bring it down to, I don't know, it's about 20%. Still get a nice display. I mean, a nice look at the screen. So there's really not any viewing problems. But again, like I said, some people may not like to use these type of privacy screen protectors as an everyday screen protector, but they do serve a purpose, like I say, on vacation, sitting on a beach. You don't want any prying eyes, or you're at work. Maybe you got, you're sitting too close to a bunch of people. You want your privacy, man. And these screen protectors do come in handy. I will leave all the information down below in the description. If you're looking to pick up one of these, by all means, feel free to use my link down below. I appreciate if you have any questions, leave that too, and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, catch everybody next video. I'm out.